Hello students, we are doing determiners and till now we have discussed the concept of determiner and the one type of determiner, that is articles, we have discussed in the previous videos, and today we will discuss the another kind of determiners, and other kind of determiner is possessive. Possessive word is derived from the word possess. Possess means to have. The word possessive is used to show belongingness कि एक चीज़ है ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਕੋਈ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ, ਕੀ ਬਿਲੋਂਗਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਵਿਦ ਅਨਦਰ ਪਰਸਨ, anything, what is the relationship of that thing with the person. So it shows कि कोई चीज़, कोई person ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। And the words used for possessive are my, your, his, her, are, their, it's, mine, yours, hers, ours, theirs, one's, John's, etc. If there is a name of a person, any name of person, and we have used apostrophe s, as you can see I have used the apostrophe s here, it will show that it is apostrophe s is used to show the belongingness. Okay, for example, John's book, this would mean that the book belongs to John's. It is the John's book. John's mother, if there is a lady and you're referring that that's John's mother, and that would mean that lady belongs to John as a mother. So possessive words are used to show the belongingness, used before a noun, and it is also used before a noun. Determiners are always used before a noun to show possession. Possession means the belongingness, कि एक चीज़ किस तरह एक इंसान ਨੂੰ belong करती है. This is my house. This means the house is the noun and the my possessive is used. This means the house belongs to me. Your book is very interesting. The book belongs to you. Your book is very interesting. Our parents are coming tomorrow. Parents is a noun and are is the possessive. Our parents, this means that couple belongs to us as a parents. These are John's books. So John here is a name and we have used apostrophe s to make it a possessive, and books is the noun. So it means the books belongs to John. Next kind of determiner is demonstratives. Demonstrative word is derived from the word demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show, to point out, to show something. Usually science practicals ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ word ਬਹੁਤ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Demonstrate means there you have to show the relationship between, ਮਤਲਬ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ science practicals ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ demonstrate word ਬਹੁਤ use ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ. That means you have to show. Demonstrate the working of the we can say demonstrate the working of the clock. So you have to show how the clock works. So demonstrate word means to show. The word this, that, these, those are called demonstratives. There are only 4 demonstratives, and these demonstratives are this, that, these, those. And this is used for singular, for a singular thing lying near. This is used for singular thing lying near. That is used for singular thing lying far. So what is the difference between this and that? This denote the thing lying near. जो चीज़ बिल्कुल नज़दीक है, अगर साढ़े नज़दीक चीज़ कोई है तो असी उत्थे की यूज़ करते हैं this. अगर कोई चीज़ साढ़े तो बहुत दूर है but singular है, then we use that. So this and that are used as singular. दोनों ਵਿੱਚ similarity की है, ਇਹ ਦੋਨੋਂ singular noun ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. And what is the difference? This is for near things, that is for the far things. This is my book. So it means there is a book nearby you and you're referring that this book, this particular book which is very near to you, is my book. This is my house. You are near your house, you're standing near your house and you're telling somebody this is my house. Okay, if you are standing very far from your house, then you will say that is my house. Okay, if you're standing near the thing, if you're very near the thing, then you will use this if the thing is singular. And if you are far from that thing and that is the singular thing, then you will use that. That is his book. This is my book. जो book मेरे हाथ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ नज़दीक है, this is my book. जो book मेरे तो दूर पई है, that is his book. वो book उसदी है. मतलब you are standing somewhere and उस तो दूर किसी टेबल ते book पई है and you are referring to that book and you mentioning to that book, you are pointing out. Especially demonstrative are used to point out, to show that is his book. That fan does not work. Okay, so fan is the noun and that is used, it means the fan is far from the speaker. जो speaker है, जो बोल रहा है, the fan is far away from him, and that's why he has used that to mention fan. Other demonstrative are these and those. These is used for plural things lying near. Those is used for plural things lying far. And these and those, they are also similar in one thing. They are used for the plural things. And what is the difference between them? These is used for the things near and those is used for the things far. These are my books. So if there is a singular book and that book is near, I have used the word this is my book. But if I am having more than one book, plural, I have the plural things, and then I will use these are my books if the things are near me. These are beautiful flowers. These are beautiful flowers. There are a lot of flowers and they are near to me, and I'm referring to those flowers and I'm saying that these are beautiful flowers. And those is used for things lying far. Those are his books. There was a singular book, then we use that is his book. But if there is more than one book, then I'm using those are his books because the books are far away from the speaker. Those trees are very tall. You are referring to the faraway trees and you're pointing out and you're showing me that those trees are very tall. So that's about the demonstrative. There are 4 demonstrative: this, that, these, those. This and that for singular, and these and those for the plural. This and these for the things near, that and those for the things far. Next is the WH words or the interrogatives. We call WH word as the interrogatives, and the which word are used as the determiner. What, which, whose, whosoever, whatever, whichever, they act as the determiners. They are also known as interrogative adjective. They are also known as interrogative adjective. For example, what is the time now? We use what to ask for the information. What is your name? What is your aim of life? So to gain information, we start the question with what. What is the time now? What do you want to do in life? What is the name of Prime Minister of India? What is the name of the principal of your school? So to gain the information, we make use of the what. Okay, next is the whose. Whose is used to ask the belongingness. कि कोई भी चीज़ है या कोई भी पर्सन है वो किस नू बिलोंग करता है. Whose book is this? You want to know कि बुक किस नू बिलोंग करती है. whose pencils are these? You want to know, you have the pencils, you want to know कि किस दियां pencils ਹਨ कि ਇਹ किस ਨੂੰ belong करदियां ਹਨ. So whose is used for belongingness, and which is used for the choice, to ask about the choice. Which pen do you like? There are the pens and you want to know which pen do you like. Choice पूछ रहे हैं कि which is your favorite pen, which is your favorite movie. There are a lot of movies, you are asking somebody ਉਹਦੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ choice ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਉਸਦੀ favorite ਕਿਹੜੀ movie ਹੈ, ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ pencil ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ, ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜਾ color ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ, to the choice of the person. And whosoever, whatever, whichever, I'll discuss with you. Whosoever means कि it is used to emphasize who. कि whosoever means there is whosoever means you have to come out कि you are emphasizing on who, कि जिसने भी. whosoever means जिसने भी, मतलब ਇਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ, ਜਾਂ whosoever wanted, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਆ, can contact me. You are emphasizing who. who ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ emphasize ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ we use the word whosoever, ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਦੇਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ. And next is the whatever. Whatever means you can do whatever you want without any restriction. You can eat whatever you want, you can do whatever you want, you can choose whatever you like, है ना. So whatever means without any restriction. ਕੋਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਜੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. whatever means no restriction. Similarly, whichever means same thing, without any restriction. You can choose the things between. For example, you can choose whichever brand you want. There are a lot of brands in t-shirts. You can choose whichever brand you want. मतलब कोई restriction नहीं है in choices. You can have whichever thing you want. So whatever, whichever, whosoever, they are whosoever is specially to emphasize who want this. It is not emphasized. Who is not emphasized it. Whosoever want it is more emphasized in conversation. Whosoever want this, contact me. Who want it, contact me is a very you can say is किसी चीज़ से जोर नहीं है, emphasize नहीं है. But if you say whosoever want it, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बहुत ज़्यादा emphasis आंदा है. So whatever means without any restriction, जो करना है, जो whatever you want to do, whatever you want to eat, you can do. Whichever means you can make the choice from lot of things and you have no restriction. कोई restriction नहीं है, कोई बंदिश नहीं है, जो choose करना है कर सकते हैं. So that's all for the 3 kinds of determiners, that is possessives, demonstratives and interrogatives. Another kind of determiners we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.